Hey friends, welcome to Homeschool-ology. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. I've got a 7th grader, 3rd grader, and then 5 and 3-year-old who are doing like a combined pre-K kinder level. And on this channel I talk about mostly secular homeschooling, but a little bit about motherhood, having a larger family, and traveling with a larger family, and everything in between. So today's video is a Kiwi Co unboxing. This is not sponsored. These are my kids' Christmas presents. This is what they chose to get from my mother for Christmas. They're getting 3 boxes from Kiwi Co for my younger 2. My older 2 got different kinds of boxes, but my younger 2. So my youngest got the Kola crate, which is for ages 3 plus, and this month's she got the camping box. And then my son got the Kiwi Co crate, which is for ages 5 plus, and it's the arcade one. So I have a video of the kiddos diving into these boxes. So these are actually empty right now because they've already done all the things, but great quality box, and pretty good quality things inside as well. Nothing was super cheap, you know, like my daughter in the Kola crate got a backpack, and it's actually it's like a simple backpack, but it's pretty nice quality. I think it's gonna hold up pretty well. So inside the boxes were activities. We'll start with the Kola crate, which was the younger one. Came with these 2 booklets. So it comes with an instruction manual that shows you like how to build all the things, and then it comes with a little activity guide, which has little activities in it, a story, and things that they can do to go along. It even recommends books that you can read. I believe there was an option to get the books included in the crate, if I remember correctly. I'll double check that and answer my question down below, but I'm pretty sure you can get the books included. But I like that it has those options there. We actually read this book with Brave Writer at the beginning of this school year, and it was really cute. The kids really enjoyed it, so that would be a great book to go along with this activity. That was what it was in the Koala crate. She built a little campfire and got a little backpack, and it has stuff to make pretend s'mores and pretend hot dogs. It was really cute. I just saw on the side of the box, it also tells you everything that's included in the box. So if you wanted to keep this box and replace the materials, you could do it again and again. Some of the materials might be kind of hard to, like the wood claw was it would be hard to replace that without buying the set again. But it was really cute. The kids really loved it. And like I said, there's going to be a video of them opening it and building all the things. So, but it came, again, with the directions on how to build the little claw, as well as an activity book that has activities in it for them to do. These are really sweet. They have a little cute story in them. I don't think that this level came with a book suggestion. It is just the little story that's in here, but that's okay. They really enjoyed building these, and so I'm going to show you the video now of them opening them and putting them together. Okay, so here is the Kiwi Co box that we got. It has 2 levels in it. So this one is, let's see.
That one's a Kiwi crate, so maybe it's broken.
Kiwi crate. And then this is the
Aspen's
Koala crate. So that's Aspen's. It looks like she's gonna have, hold on, camping. And again, it's gonna have arcade.
Oh, arcade!
Alright.
Where are the scissors? Where are the scissors?
Alright. Ready, set, go.
Look at this! I got a lava scene. Lava scene? Oh, a claw machine. Claw machine. These are the instructions, I think? No. I have I came with stickers. Let's see what this is. Oh, you can make pom-poms. Let's make pom-poms. Pom-poms. With fake cleaners. Oh, I don't know. Wait, it's a light. Oh, it's a tea light. A light? Tea light. That's not a tea light. Those are stickers. Wait, it's fire. Those are boys. Those are boys, Ricky.
And eyes.
Googly eyes.
Wait, the pom-pom. And another pom-pom kit.
It's just yarn, Ricky.
Okay,
It's yarn.
and then whatever this is. That's the video game controller.
Build it. Okay.
So,
I think these things tell you how to build it, like how the pieces should be laid out.
so we got this box. It's a
Or what number they are.
tea light.
Letter they are.
Whatever this
Is it like
Googly eyes.
Little pieces. It looks like they have
Yeah, you can. This
glue.
This bag
Or
is
like sticky
this
tape.
is supposed to be a bear backpack.
And then
And then
a bear backpack where she can put all of her camping stuff in.
Yeah.
cute.
And then we also got this itty bitty box with a tea light.
Okay, you guys gonna work on putting it together?
Yes.
Alright, what'd you make, bud?
A class.
A claw.
And Pom Pom Monster. Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up.
What? You picked up a pom-pom monster. So fun.
I have to make one because Bernie said she's gonna, but now she's not.
Alright, Aspen, show me what you made.
So we have
A backpack. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. What is it?
it's a bear.
What does it have inside of it?
It has a ton of stuff. This is a pocket right here.
Bernie,
What's
let
in
her
there?
talk.
Cute.
Ketchup and
What else is in there?
Uh-oh. It's a garbage in here. A marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Can you roast marshmallows?
Here, look.
Did you put the tea light inside of it?
Yeah.
Turn on your campfire.
Get on my dish. No.
Bernie, get lazy.
Wait. Look at that. Here,
And pick them up, pick them up. Yeah!
Yeah, Bubba.
Wow, look at that.
Now drop it.
A campfire. So fun.
I guess
And then when you're done roasting your marshmallow, here, put it on. You can make a s'more.
Cool.
Don't forget about the chocolate. And we have 2 marshmallows.
All right, so what do you think? Kiwi Co, yes, or Kiwi Co, no?
Yeah.
Kiwi Co, yes.
So these are the little pom-pom people that they built to pick up with the claw. They're so cute. This is a really cute activity. The kids absolutely loved it. All of the kids loved it. As you could see, they were all putting it together, so they all had a really good time. The olders helping the youngers. Highly recommend the Kiwi Co, and there are so many options. I'll try to put it in a little screen roll here. It's not just the one crate anymore. They have crates for all ages and all types of activities and all types of things. So definitely head on over and check out Kiwi Co. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. This is what my kids got for Christmas, and I thought you guys might like seeing it. So let me know if you have done Kiwi Co before and how your kids liked it. If not, was this something that you think your kids would enjoy? Head on down to the comment down there. And then while you're down there, I hope you will subscribe to this channel, ring that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Bye.